Throughout this series, we've discussed what ransomware is, how these attacks work, and strategies that can help reduce your risk and minimize the impact of an attack. Understanding the concepts is important, but if, or more likely when, ransomware strikes, what should you do? Imagine logging into work as usual one day when suddenly your screen locks. A message appears demanding payment to regain access. It's normal to panic, but that's exactly what cybercriminals want. When you panic, it's harder to think clearly, and poor decisions become more likely. During a ransomware attack, the way you respond can either help limit the damage or make the situation worse. Your organization may have an incident response plan that outlines what to do before, during, and after a cyber incident. Always follow your organization's specific guidance, but here are a few general do's and don'ts to remember. First, here are some things you should do. Stop what you're doing. Don't click anything else, open additional files, or interact with the ransom message. Report it immediately. Quick reporting through your organization's approved channels may help prevent ransomware from spreading and give your organization a better chance of reducing the overall impact. Follow official instructions from IT, security, or leadership. This may include leaving the message visible on your screen, taking a photo of it, documenting what happened, or disconnecting your device from the network if instructed. Just as important as knowing what you should do, however, is knowing what not to do. Don't attempt to fix it yourself. Deleting files, running scans, or taking other actions without guidance from your IT or security team could unintentionally make the situation worse or eliminate evidence that could aid in the investigation. Don't restart or shut down your device unless specifically instructed to do so. These actions may not solve the problem and could interfere with your organization's response efforts and make recovery and investigation more difficult. It's better to wait for official guidance. Do not contact or negotiate with the attackers. This could expose additional information or complicate the response process. Don't pay the ransom. It doesn't guarantee that your files will be restored or that the attackers won't demand more money later. Decisions about ransom payments should only be made by your organization's official incident response process. Once a ransomware attack has been reported, the incident response team works to contain the attack, restore systems and data, and investigate how attackers gained access in the first place. After they're sure that the threat has been removed, they review what happened and strengthen the defenses that could prevent future attacks. Ransomware can cause serious disruption, but a quick, calm response can help keep the situation from getting worse. By staying alert to suspicious activity, reporting it quickly, and following your organization's response plan, you can help limit the damage and support faster recovery.